What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be covering the SoFi stock. Guys, we just covered the SoFi earnings live on stream. We had 1,700 viewers, and guys, you saw my earnings reaction to that earnings report. I don't need analysts on Wall Street. I don't need any media headlines. I don't need CNBC. I just need to see the numbers. And what I saw on those numbers was absolutely mind blowing. The magnitude of that Q3 earnings shows me that SoFi is going to be massive. I'm not talking 2027, 2026. Next year, 2025, this is going to be a massive year for SoFi. They are going to continue to grow. I'm betting on 30% growth for next year. These guys are going to continue to steal market share from these legacy banks. And guys, I think the market is flipping on SoFi right now. I'm not even, exaggerating at all. Yes, we had that massive sell-off from hitting that peak of $11.99, a 19% pullback to about $9.70. If you see what the SoFi stock is doing today, literally one day after the SoFi earnings, it's, just as I predicted on my next video I did right after the live stream. I said, hey, we're selling off. I do not care. The shorts can do whatever they want. This is going to be a delayed reaction because those numbers were mind-blowing, guys. They hit a record in every segment of their business. Members, financial services, Galileo, lending, everything. This company just printed net income profitability, 61 million. It's just the beginning. And they have scale, bringing in 700,000 plus members, guys. This is going to be the stock that you want to be in. If you're short term, at least ride this bad boy all the way through 2025 because you are going to be rewarded greatly, guys. And we also have 7 analysts out of the 19 analysts coming out as of today and, re-rating their price targets. We're going to be giving you those price targets today so you can see how the analysts are reacting. Guys, I'm telling you right now, I think we are heading into the S&P 500 inside of 2025. I am not bullshitting at all, guys. I really think this is going to happen. The SoFi stock just needs to maintain over an $18 price target. That's about 18 billion market cap. That is the requirements right now to get into the S&P 500. I'm telling you right now, we are going over $18 very, very quickly. This story is just beginning. They are, just diversifying their revenue faster and faster and faster. Fee-based revenue is skyrocketing. The risk is dropping. Guys, this was a 99% lender in 2018 when, Anthony Noto took over. It has dropped to 50%, okay? He just went from 99% lending to 50% split when you include financial services and Galileo. I'm telling you right now, they are doing everything right. This is the management you want steering the ship. These guys are going to ride this stock to the promised land. Management is in this for one thing and one thing only, and that is to hit those massive bonuses by mid-2026, guys. That is $45 per share, and I truly believe these guys are going to hit it. I'm telling you right now, this is the stock you want to be in. Fintech is about to explode, and SoFi is going to be the leader in the United States of America. I'm very excited, so be sure to smash the like button. Let's try and get the video to 1,500 likes. Be sure to drop a comment. I'm going to be commenting back to as many people as I can. What do you think about the price action after earnings? What do you think about the price action today? Where do you think this stock is headed? Are we going to get into the S&P 500? Drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's try and get the channel past 20,000 subs. Let's get into it. All right, real quick, guys. I just want you guys to see my live stream. For any of you guys that didn't, see the live stream early in the morning. This was like, 7 a.m. I just want you guys to watch like 2 minutes. My earnings reaction, exactly what I saw as soon as the numbers came out. You ready? Here we go. 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm sorry. I should just went. I got it, guys. Okay, hang on. Here we go. Holy shit. 689 on revenue. 689. Oh my God. 689. Holy shit. Revenue was out of this world. I was at 660. Oh, what the hell? Adjusted EBITDA 186. Diluted EPS 5 cents. Boom. 5 cents. That's it. We beat it. 1 cent EPS. We beat it by a cent. 5 cents. 5 cents EPS. 689 million in revenue. That's awesome. Let me take a look at the guidance real quick. Guidance. Holy crap, guys. They increased. Oh my God. Yes. They increased guidance from the previous quarter was 9 to 10 cents EPS. That's what we were looking at full year, 9 to 10. They jumped it up 2 cents to 11 to 12 cents EPS, guys. And on revenue,
Their previous guidance was 2.465 billion, which was 19% growth on the high end. They increased it to 2.55 billion, 23% on the high end, guys. I haven't even looked at the stock. I'm gonna look at the stock. I don't even know what. I mean, green. I don't know. What else can you ask for? So this is the first time I looked at the stock. Saw the numbers, massively beat my expectations everywhere across the board. Revenue, 30 million beat. My jump, my not 30 million beat. Mine was 15 million beat. They beat mine by 30 million. So ridiculous revenue growth. I don't what was the growth rate? Let me get deeper dive into these numbers. Holy shit.
All right, guys, you see it right there. Absolute blowout across the board, just on the simple numbers, revenue, EPS, guidance, adjusted EBITDA, everything. And I wasn't even worried about the stock at all. I don't care what the stock did at that given moment. And then we were green 6% in the pre-markets, sold off 19% from that high. Does that make sense at all? This is the video I gave you exactly right after. We're gonna watch 1 minute. This is my post earnings. After the sell off of 19%. Guys, maybe we're just looking at delayed earnings reactions because of massive retail falling. We have the massive short interest, and shorts are just continuing to pile up on retail early on in the pre-market trading. But guys, I do think this stock is going to go a lot higher. I had a $16 price target on the stock for this year. After seeing that earnings report, I have to raise my price target to $18 fair value. And I think we have an opportunity to make a big run after the elections in the next week or so. This could be a massive Christmas rally heading our way. So I'm very excited. So be sure to smash the like button. All right, guys, there you see it. Absolute blowout across the board on the earnings. I believe there's going to be a delayed reaction, potentially a week or so out after the presidential elections. And we'll take a look at how the stock is doing right now. So you can see the stock right now is up. Remember, guys, we hit a low yesterday of $9.70. Massive bounce back even yesterday in the open trading day. And then on top of that, adding in another 6%. I mean, I think we started the earnings report the day of the morning of the earnings report was like 11:20. So we're literally like back to where we started pre-market, guys, before the 6% move. So once again, guys, we're going to get the institutional filings, updated, probably November 1st and see what these whales are doing behind the scenes. I believe a lot of retail did get cleaned out yesterday. It's completely understandable. A lot of people are short term, want to see massive gains right away. But I think the stock is going a lot higher. We're going to look at what the analysts are doing, on their price targets right now. We got about 19 analysts covering the stock. I think 7 have updated their price targets out of the 19. So we'll take a look at that right now and see what's going on behind the scenes. But I did want to show you this real quick before we get into that. This actually came in on the day of earnings. So we haven't got the full updated quarterly filings, on November 1st. But take a look at this. This is the FSMAX Fidelity Extended Market Index Fund. You can see net assets in this fund right here is $41.7 billion. This is the type of institutional holdings I'm talking about, going long term, just showing you, what type of, institutional increase we're going to get. This is just the beginning. So you can see that's the FSMAX Fidelity Extended Market Index Fund, and they increased the ownership by 14.69%, bringing the total institutional ownership up to 6.3 million shares inside of this fund. And this was updated on the same day as earnings. So it just shows you guys, I mean, that's like, close to a million share buy right there. That is what I'm talking about that is going to be started. So wait until I give you the updates from the top 10 institution whales. Be sure to subscribe to this channel because you are going to be getting all those updates as soon as they come out. I'm going to try and get them to you later on in the day. But I'm telling you right now, once we hit November 1st, you are going to see what the whales are doing behind the scenes. And just take a look at the stock. This just isn't retail. I mean, retail just got clobbered yesterday, okay? People are running. This is what I'm talking about, okay? This is just the beginning. I'm telling you, we are heading into a Christmas rally. My fair value on the stock is $18. And what if SoFi announces another, Fortress loan deal or something like that? We're going to get another 15% in premium. I'm telling you right now, the story is just getting started. Let's take a look at what the analysts are doing behind the scenes. All right, guys, here it is. You see right here, we have 19 analysts total. And as of right now, it looks like 7 analysts out of the 19 have updated their price targets, okay? Here we go, guys. We have Mizuho. They reiterated their buy. They actually put out a price target before the earnings. They went from 12 to 14, and they just reiterated to $14. So, guys, we are starting to get $14 price targets from, some of our high-level analysts. We have Jeffries coming in at a buy increase, $12 to $13. Needham, they maintained their buy and increase 10 to 13. So as you guys can see, these are some of the higher IQ analysts. I personally believe you can see these three right here, all above $13. This is what we want to see. And then I put I didn't put a green check mark or an X. You can see I put the eyes watching right here for Bank of America because they reiterated neutral. Why do you reiterate neutral and increase your price from $9 to $11? Makes no sense at all. You can see, I mean, they're being, decent. They're not being complete, jerks. Bringing us up to $11. But this is the type of stuff I'm talking about. Reiterates neutral. We have Barclays increases from 8 to 9. I just believe these are the joke analysts. Is what I'm talking about. BTIG maintains hold $9. JP Morgan maintains hold increases from $8 to $9. So JP Morgan, I'm telling you right now, SoFi could come out, print $100 million profit, the exact same range as Robinhood, Palantir in the $100 million range, could show 30% growth, just as fast as both those companies. Diversify away from lending risks, and JP Morgan's going to come up to $9-10. So guys, by the time JP Morgan gets to this $12 to $14 price target, we'll be at $25. So as you guys can see, I don't care what some of these analysts do. I'm telling you right now, we are going to $18. I think Q4 is going to be the blowout quarter that we've been waiting for. We get the 2025 guidance. Anthony Noto says, things are looking extremely clear skies, bullish, and I think they're going to lay something crazy out. And we're going to make our way up to $18. And by the time we hit that seventh quarter of profitability in a row by Q2 2025, we will be eligible in the back half of 2025. And that's just the way the cookie crumbles. All right, guys, and I'm going to start wrapping up this video. We are up 7.4%. Volume right now is coming in at 35 million. Average volume 45 million. So this should be a solid. I'm hoping for 60 to 70 million volume day. That should really get it cracking. Take a look at the indexes real quick. S&P 500 flat, Dow up a little bit, and NASDAQ is flat. Holy crap. Russell 2000 small cap making a little bit of a move. But guys, I'm telling you right now, this is going to be an amazing opportunity. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing this video for you. Once again, guys, I'm telling you right now, this company is just beginning. The numbers they are putting out are absolutely mind-blowing. Growth re-accelerating to 30% on a conservative year. EPS expansion to all-time high, 5 cent, $61 million profit. Just the beginning. 2026, we're heading for that $1 billion in profitability with crazy scale. I think members are going to continue to scale to 1 million members potentially in the back half of Q4. That's coming out very soon. And, once we get that guidance, guys, I'm telling you right now, it's time to head into that S&P 500. We are already 4 quarters of GAAP profitability. That is the first milestone. The second milestone that you have to solidify is the $18 price target on SoFi. Market cap, $18 billion. Once again, guys, my name is Kyle. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Hope you have a great day.